A protest outside the Victorville courthouse this morning. A group of community activists furious over the arrest of Edin Alex Enamorado and 7 of his colleagues.
I am the attorney for Mr. Edin Alex Enamorado. Today was the arraignment for Mr. Enamorado, the Justice 8, and it is clear from the proceedings today that San Bernardino County and these law enforcement agencies are criminalizing First Amendment activity.
Yes.
They are criminalizing the right to protest. Yes. They are criminalizing the right to call out elected officials, and they are criminalizing their critics.
Activists are not criminals.
5 times.
Why are you calling them criminals?
Unarmed.
Our activists don't pose a threat to our community.
Y'all pose a threat.
They don't pose a threat to
Instigators. You guys are the instigators.
All the stuff you guys are trying to sweep under the rug. For protecting our vendors, for protecting our community. That's racism. We don't appreciate that. We want our activists out. Now. Now. They deserve a Christmas. They deserve to be with their family. We should put Shannon Dickens in jail.
I want to thank everybody here with the camera, because we no longer have to depend on mainstream media to tell our stories, to get our information out. We can do it ourselves. So thank you.
Where are you guys headed? You guys are all free to go.
No.
You're free to go.
No, we have to open up court.
You have to what?
We have other courtrooms.
No, you're free to go. You just wasted a bunch of time. You guys are all... You're free to go. What? What? They locked up 8 activists who try to hold them accountable. Right?
Free the Justice 7 activists have been criminalized and
Free the Justice 8! Free the Justice 8!
That's crazy.
Free the Justice 8!
Free the Justice 8!
Free the Justice 8!
Free the Justice 8!
Free Alex!
Free Alex!
Free Alex!
Free Alex!
Free them all!
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 The whole world is watching!
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 When our community members are under attack, what do we do?
Stand up like that!
When our community leaders are under attack, what do we do?
Stand up like that!
When the street vendor protectors are under attack, what do we do?
Stand up like that!
When the people that protect us from the cops are under attack, what do we do?
Stand up like that!
What do we do?
Stand up, fight back!
What do we do?
Stand up, fight back!
Stand up, fight back! What they're trying to do here is silence us, get us scared. We're not gonna let that happen, guys. Alex was with a lot of people, hundreds of people, bro. He helped hundreds of people. Hundreds of people who were scared because of their financial status, because of their immigration status.
No racist police! No peace! No racist police! No justice! No peace! No racist police! No justice! Police! No racist police! No racist police! No justice, no peace! No racist police! No justice, no peace! No racist police!
Let our voices be heard! Let our voices be heard! Stop trying to shut us down!
Everybody walking into this place should know what's going on. That's why we gotta stand right here in front of the door. Everybody in this community should know what's going on. Everybody should know. Everybody should know what's going on.
Or we're gonna have to push the refusal to leave.
And we got that
Move back, out to the sidewalk. Move to the sidewalk.
You move back.
Move back to the
You move
sidewalk.
back. You move back inside.
Our First Amendment
Move back to the sidewalk.
Wait. This is, sir. This is a peaceful assembly.
You're blocking access.
No,
to
we're
the
not.
courthouse.
Anyone who wants to go in goes out. Anyone who wants to go in goes out. One person here isn't blocking anybody. One person here is blocking nobody. So there's no problem. It's a First Amendment right to peacefully assemble. Right? It's a First Amendment right to peacefully assemble.
You guys need to move back. Don't violate our rights. It's our First Amendment right.
Do I have a constitution in the cut? Don't I have a constitution? Right now on the side. The other side. Behind the water. It's a First Amendment right. No, I'm good. He said I can't block anybody. He said not to block anybody. I'm making sure not to block. I'm not. You're good. I promise you're good. Look, I promise you're good. I think you're good.
Fuck the sheriff! Fuck the sheriff!
I think you guys are blocking. You guys are blocking the way. You guys are blocking the entrance. No one's blocking the entrance but you. You realize that you're the only one blocking the entrance?
You guys are blocking.
No, you are. We move for people. You are. You have guns.
Thank you for moving for people.
Lefevre?
Yes, sir.
And you guys see how they try to push us back? And they try to use their authority?
That's you, right? Yeah. Okay. What's up, bro? Thank you. Thank you for coming out, brother. Disgusting. Trying to limit people's First Amendment right to peacefully assemble. Shame on you. Shame on you. You coward. You're a coward for trying to block transparency. Shame on you. Look, you guys are blocking this shit. You guys are blocking it. You got a ring of guns surrounding you. Why? For what? People who are wanting to hold you accountable? Because people want to hold you accountable? Because people want to hold you accountable? Because people want to hold you accountable? You're going to make a ring of fire with a bunch of guns and shit? That's horse shit, man. Get your brigade back inside. You guys are all free to go. You're doing nothing. You're helping nobody. Literal clowns.
You guys are dismissed.
Oh, you're the doorman today? I didn't know the city could pay enough for a doorman. Guy with a gun needs to open the door for us? I think we're all good to go. This is a very peaceful crowd. Look at them. They're all holding phones trying to hold you assholes accountable. It's funny, huh? It looks hilarious to you. You're a public servant. You work for the people. You know that?
I do.
You know you have a First Amendment right to peacefully assemble. Does anything here not look peaceful?
You coming in here, sir?
Yeah, open the door for him. That one's locked.
We can't back down. Be safe. We don't back down.
If you're going to be the doorman, know what doors are locked and not. You get paid probably hundreds of thousands of dollars to do what? To break the law and never be held accountable. 40% of cops have domestic violence in the home. 40%. 40% of cops have domestic violence in their homes. Who would they report it to?
We stand with our people.
Where would their loved ones go to?
We stand with our people.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops. What's 40% of 5? I don't know, but it's at least 2 of them. At least 2 of them have domestic violence in their house.
We stand with the people who really keep us safe.
I don't think this looks like a violent protest.
No, this ain't that violent. You guys are the violence workers.
Violent protest, man.
Yeah, you're the one who commits violence. You guys kill people, beat people, assault people, and never held accountable.
You're the ones with weapons.
Yeah.
You're the ones with cell phones to capture that crap.
To make you look like a fool so people know what their money's going to. Over 50% of our tax dollars are going to these people. For what? To be a doorman? To commit violence in the community? Shame on all of you. Shame on you. There's got to be a traffic call. There's got to be something you guys could go to. No, you're not hearing shit?
You guys have failed us.
That's right.
We have no trust in the police because you have failed us. You have failed our people. We have no trust in you, Mr. Police.
Shame on you, man. Shame on you guys. I think you guys could go. It's a peaceful assembly. Peaceful assembly. You've already tried to break it up once. I suggest you leave. There's no problem. What?
You can
No, we're here to peacefully assemble.
Listen to the community.
You wouldn't think it's open the way they're lined up, huh? They're blocking access.
Instead of attacking the community, why don't you listen to the
We
community?
stand with our people. We stand with our activists.
Because you're not for the community.
My color is your color. Racistas, bola de racistas. Fuck the police now. Victorville, you're racist. You're racist. You have failed our gente. You have failed our gente.
Yeah.
La raza va a estar unida para proteger a Alex y a todos. Racistas, bola de racistas. You have failed the system. You have failed our people.
Criminals, terrorists, using our tax money to lock up our community leaders.
Racistas, bola de racistas. Racistas, bola de racistas. Racistas.
I think you guys could all leave, right? You guys could all leave? Can you guys get out of here? You guys could get out of here. I told you, it's a peacefully assembly. Thank you very much.
A judge has ruled that defendants will stay behind bars with no bail until their next hearing the day after Christmas.
Not even people accused of murder have no bail holds. That means that they cannot even post bail.